what would you want today? We have chicken liver with cheese on top. Or would you like to have our new recipe called fries? It's a new dynamic called fries. Okay? Anyway, you're participating in McDonald's. It's a great taste. You just put and fries together. Your split fries. What would you like? You know, fries. Good fries. That's what I'll say. But you know, made no. This is what I need at school, and I don't. They get something chicken. Doing a bad. It's gonna be.
Well, these. When I was a kid, butter, especially in some of there's some.
I'm here to help finance. 1119.
Woof woof.
Oh. 11:19, 25. We are here at the NBC newsroom. The president is going to make a speech about helping New York City. President. Well, I'm here to help the financial cuts in New York. Now, shall I say the pledge allegiance to the flag? I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United Nations of America and to the republic on which it doesn't stand.